Today we learn something about diabetes mellitus. Channel's name is Heartbeat. My name is Dr. Amrit Kejriwal. Glycemic index. It indicates how each food item, how rapidly it increases your blood sugar. Measures impact of food on glucose levels 2 hours after eating the food. And it is a rating system for foods containing carbohydrates. Food without carbohydrates cannot be given a glycemic index value. Glycemic index, it is necessary to understand because it is food with high glycemic index increases your blood sugar faster than those with a lower glycemic index. So if your blood sugar goes high, then your blood may develop high blood sugar and all the complications of diabetes. For a healthy lifestyle, we should avoid food with high glycemic index. So scores are between 0 to 100. Each food item is given a value of 0 to 100. Glucose is given a value of 100 and other food items are compared to this. And measurement is done 2 hours after consuming the food item and a value is compared with the glucose level of 100. The various factors affecting glycemic index: presence of carbohydrate, presence of proteins and fat in the food that has been consumed, organic acids and their associated, whether food is cooked or raw, type of cooking, grading of glycemic index. So food items having a glycemic index less than 55 are supposed to have a low glycemic index. 56 to 69 is medium glycemic index, and greater than 70 have a higher glycemic index. So there are some paradoxes associated. Two different foods can have the same glycemic index, but the body may respond differently. There is a difference between a person to person response, and glycemic index may vary in the same person from day to day. Interpretation: some carbohydrates are digested easily, some are not. Easily digestible increase the blood sugar more rapidly and have a higher glycemic index. Other foods not easily digestible have a lower glycemic index. There are individual variations. Ripe fruits contain more sugar. Cooking increases the glycemic index more. And again, processing of the food increases the glycemic index more. Significance: foods with lower glycemic index tend to increase blood sugar slowly. Foods with higher glycemic index tend to increase blood sugar faster. Uses: it is beneficial for weight loss, improves the lipid profile, lowers age-related disease development such as type 2 diabetes and coronary artery disease. Conclusion: gives a rough estimate how your blood sugar would increase if that particular item is consumed.